Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer for Windows 11. First, you need to open the official website of Cisco Packet Tracer. I'm going to leave the download link in description of the video. So first, we have to log in. I'm going to log in with my Google account. After logging in, we can now install the application. Choose the application for Windows. The download begins. Okay, now that the app is downloaded successfully, we can open it. Click Open File. A pop-up will appear here, just click Yes. Accept the terms. Now here you can choose the path where you want the application to be installed. I'm going to leave the default installation path. Click Next. Next. Click Next. And click Install. Keep in mind that installation may take several minutes. Okay, now the installation has been finished. Just click Finish and that's it. Cisco Packet Tracer will open automatically. And that's it. Cisco Packet Tracer works successfully.
Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.